Today's workflow. It is a blurry portrait photo. High resolution retouch photos. It's different from other high-definition restorations. It is more yuan, while keeping the facial features unchanged. To restore facial details, while maintaining consistency with the original image, compared to direct redraw. Its consistency with the facial features of the original image. It is currently the strongest. It performs better than GPT Image 2. This is a very practical workflow. For example, the original image is blurry and the hair is messy. It's perfect after retouching, and it remained almost exactly the same as before. First, let me introduce the system I'm using. Online mirror of InBrain Cloud. If you don't want to deploy locally, want to be able to use it immediately, you can then open my mirror, turning it on. I'm currently using an online mirror. If you see what I have, then you will have a tool. What I can use, you can use too. This workflow is a complete set. All models are complete. You don't even need to worry about installing the model and deployment issues, etc. I've placed this workflow at the very outermost level. Focus to single and multiple image editing. Click on it and you'll find the whole set. This workflow is placed in the layout. Row bar, columnar. The layout here is consistent. You learn to use this one, you'll know how to use the rest. Generally, the top one is the default one. Basic image creation sampled raw images of model prompt words. This is just an example of adding film grain effect. This effect is optional. The following is the process of uploading images. Adjust the size and then submit to generate. All workflows. The alignment methods are all the same. Moreover, the arrangement order is standardized. The other hundreds are the same. The above section consists of default raw images. Below is the unedited image. Upload image and submit. The first card, the second card, therefore, and so on. It is very convenient to use. There's no need to expand them all. Adjusting parameters in this way is also very convenient. Moreover, layout is a systematic sequence. The logic before and after is very clear. Then in my mirror, there is more than just this one. The latest RTX 2.0 and RTX 2.3 texturing image. All the entire set of images and videos is included. The complete 100-point kit is also here. There are still 1,000 questions. Image editing workflow. Multi-Tark, which offers the best results, is also available. Voice design and PO and ATTS also have. There is also a high-definition magnification image workflow. The complete set includes Hyper, Super and Flux series. Includes Flux Create workflow. There's also a Flux and Flux text workflow. Video-related options are all available. You click on my mirror, etc. It has everything exactly like mine. I've put all the workflows inside, divided into video, image, and video-related categories. Mainly involve video generation. There are even more image categories. There are approximately 300 workflows. Voice-related categories include song voice changer, or commonly used functions such as Wuyangfeng music. If you want to use it, now, just use the latest external workflow. The advantage of mirroring, you can take these hundreds of workflows of mine, use it freely by combining different methods. Moreover, the charging method is based on time. Unlike other platforms that award points per use, that would be relatively more expensive. This is my online mirror. For those who want to deploy locally, you can open my notes. Click on the tutorial in the navigation bar. Click to jump to the bottom. The bottom is the workflow area. One node corresponds to each workflow. I've put this workflow in the image class. The image and text editor is called Focus Tool. The node name and workflow E2 perfectly align. It now contains an installation tutorial. Download links for all models. I will always include a screenshot as an illustration. The location where the downloaded file will be placed is also very clear. This model uses these two. LoRA for character detail restoration. Below are screenshots of each workflow. Click to see the parameters above. There is also a simple operation diagram. Actually, what you need to do these few color parts. This is a screenshot of all the workflows inside. At the bottom are workflow video tutorials. Finally, there's the workflow file download. This is ideal for people deploying locally. Then we return to the online mirror. First, it uses the Flux model. Because of these two high definition, finally edited dot. LoRA is trained based on this model. I have some examples of prompt words here. Include Chinese and English. It's best to use English because it will be more effective. You can repair images in different situations. Upload the image here and then scale it. Keep the default settings. It can fix even the most blurry images. Refinement through to samplings. The final result will all perfect. This is the effect after retouching without adding any grain. If you want to simulate a real film photograph, film grain can be added here. You can turn it off if you don't need it, and turn it on when you do. Adding subtle graininess to the output will make it more realistic. The final result looks like this. Absolutely perfect compared to cases where the redrawing is too extensive. After LoRA adjustments, its consistency with the original image is very strong. The texture of the colors was also perfectly preserved. Of course, it can not only retouch blurry photos, it can also refine the skin and hair of characters. Or you can colorize black and white photos. This is currently the best retouching result. If you want to specifically target skin rejuvenation, using the workflow above would be better. These are mainly photos taken with a professionally edited phone. You can simply understand that this is the perfect tool for photos taken with your phone. That concludes this tutorial. Go experience it for yourselves on the platform.